We are given this casting drawing here. It's in third angle orthographic projection. The scale is 2:1. That means that your scale is 2:1. That means that all the measurements that you see here, you're going to multiply them by 2. I've already done it. For 30 times 2 is 60. 11 times 2 is 22. You do all the measurements like that, write them there, so it's easy for you to see. And what you need to draw here, you need to draw a sectional front view, a sectional right view, and a top view. So to start with this, we're going to start with the center line. See, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. I'm gonna have my long, short, long, short, long. Same thing this side, short, long, short, long. Then I'm gonna take my compass, going to measure this small circle that is in here. This circle here, you have the diameter of 11, you multiply it by 2 is 22. So you're gonna take the radius of this 22, which is 11. So you're going to measure 11 there, like that. That's your circle for 11. The second circle here, you're given the diameter of 30. So you're gonna divide 30 by 2, which is 15, then draw the circle. You continue going to this circle here, you are given the diameter of 46. 46 divided by 2 is 23. You're measuring a circle of 23. And the big arc here, you are giving it as the 15. Oh, the measurement for the big arc, you see from here to here, it's 30. So with 30, 30 times 2 is 60. Then we're gonna take the radius here because it's the distance here. This 30 is going to be the diameter from here to here. So we're gonna divide it by 2. Then we get 30. Then we draw that arc in. Like that. We take this, you follow it, you see this 60 here is distance from here to here, give us the diameter of the bigger circle. You divide the 60 by 2, gives you 30, then you draw the arc of 30 millimeters. Like that. Then from there, from here going in there, you measure 60 as well. So extend this line this way, extend this one this way. Like that. Measure 60 millimeters. Then construct it there. Then you can see this groove here. You're given the measurement as 14 millimeter. So from the center, you're going to measure half of 14, which is 7.5. From here, 7.5. So come to your compass, measure 7.5. Then I come here, that's my 7.5 and 7.5. Then draw in the construction lines in here. Then you're gonna measure this 20 here. Like that. Then you have your drawing. You can just make it dark. The axis one, can make them dark. Alright, then we're going to project all of this down to get to the front view. You project all of the corners, all of them down, like that. And when you look at the front view here, you can see there's a hole that starts from here, come all this way like this, and then it expands when it gets here. So we should also note that. Let's get our XY line. This here will be my XY line. Take this measurement here, from here to here, from here to here. Then I create my second XY line. So this will be my second XY line. Alright. So you take the same measurement from here to here. Then that's where your drawing is going to start. You see there's this inner circle and the outer circle there. So we're gonna have this. Like this. Then it goes down 9 millimeters, which is 18. So measure 18 there. Go into the second one. Then it goes down 16. Then from 16 it goes down to 10. So you're gonna measure 10. 10 times 2, which is 20. It's 20 there. Alright, this one goes all the way. This first one is 10, the second one 16, the third one here goes all the way. This part, and then from there we have 30, measure 30. For this bottom one here, it's gonna go in here, 30. Yeah, for this bottom one here, you're going to measure 30 from here to here, which is 30. So I need to expand my lines. And there we have it. We can just highlight the outside part first because we're going to section this. Let's highlight the outside. You see, I'm just outlining the outside of the drawing. Everything inside here, it remains in construction. This line is too dark, so I can just erase it nicely like this. And remember, when we section it, we don't section the hole. You can see right here, from here we have a hole starting from here going all the way down here. When it gets here, then it expands, so it means it's this hole here coming all the way, this one coming all the way. Then when it gets here, it expands to, from the bottom here, 25. So you're gonna measure 25 millimeters from the bottom. Like that. 25. So we're gonna, this right here is gonna be our section line. Let's just show it like this. Our section line is gonna be right here on top. So when I section this, on top like this, I will see this hole inside. Let's make it dark. I will see this hole here. When it gets here, it expands. And then going down all the way to the base. Like this. You see this hole, it comes here. When it gets here, it expands. So everything in here is gonna be in construction. When I cut this here, I'll also see this line here. This is going to be visible. Then I'm going to section everything that is outside here. Everything that is outside here. Remember that this part from here to here, it's not gonna be cut. I'm only gonna section from here, because from this part going there, it's not cut. You see there's a hole, so the cutting plane passes through a hole, so you don't section that part. So this is how you're going to section. Section at 45 degrees, equal hatching spaces. And then that's gonna be your front view. When this is being sectioned like this, there's gonna be this hole here going all the way down there. That's what you're gonna see. This part I'm not sectioning because it's not cut here, so there's a section like that. Then I will get my 45 degree here. Get my 45 degrees, and let's go get the sectional right view. Right here is gonna be your center line. And then you're going to project all these lines to your 45 degrees. When the line touches the 45 degrees, they go down. So after you project all this line to your 45-degree line, you project them down. Where they touch your 45-degree line, you project them down. Then after you project them all the way down, you're gonna take your front view and you're gonna project to your right view. Just all the corners, project them onto your right view. And for the right view, I'm going to section here like this. So my section line will go through here all the way like this. And what I'm gonna see when I'm looking at this directly like this, I'm still gonna see all this hole going down. So I'm sectioning this, I'm gonna see this. Yeah, this I'm gonna see. From the inner circle here, this one, gonna see until here. Yes, this line must be expanded to here. Yes, I'm gonna see it until here. Here, then I'm gonna see this part as well. Like this. This is the hole. It's gonna be the hole. You're gonna see this, which is this. Then you're gonna see this here, and this here. But why does it look uneven? There's this here, and this one out here. This is here. Oh, this must come here. This line must be here. So this line is not here. it's actually here. Like this. Project down. Then you're gonna see this outer part here. Sit down. This. This. Then I still have this hole coming in. This hole here is this one. Yes. Coming until when it gets here, it expands. That's it until here. It's this line here. Wait, it's this one. Follow it down. When it reaches this point, it expands. It expands to here, like this. It expands here, like this. And just close it in here, like this. Remember, they said we should not show the hidden detail. So this part here, it's gonna be at the back. It's gonna be this line here. They said we shouldn't show hidden details, so you don't have to worry about that. Now we can just section this outside 45 degrees, then section. Remember, we don't section holes, we don't section support structures, we don't section keys. Yeah, those are the things you should remember when dealing with casting. After you section like that, you are done. You have the right view, you have the top view, you have the left view. You've shown your section line, you've shown your section line. Then we are done. Thank you.